Hello, Kamato Class! Welcome back sa isa na namang pagtuklas ng aralin sa mathematics. And this time, let us have this algebra challenge number 3. The problem is, find the value of x in the proportion 2x minus y over 16 is equal to y minus 2 over 8 is equal to 1/4. Okay, let us see the solution in this third algebra challenge. Remember that with this algebra challenge, we are finding the value of x. So find the value of x. So in this proportion, so looking back at this proportion, since we are talking of finding the value of x, and as mentioned in the problem, this is a proportion. So each expression, 2x minus y over 16, must have the same value of y minus 2 is equal to 8, which is equivalent to 1/4. So to determine the value of x with this given equation, what are we going to do is to choose first any of the expression in this proportion. So there are three expressions, this expression, and another one which is 1/4. So we just need to choose two from that. But remember, choose an expression with one variable first. So I think this is the expression with one variable, then I will choose 1/4 also, because when you look at the given equation, that is the easiest part of the given proportion. So let us see. So consider that we choose that. So we choose y minus 2 over 8, which is equal to 1/4. So the easiest way to determine our answer is to copy the numerator. So copy y minus 2, then multiply the denominator 8 times 1 here, divide 4. So the result is this. Again, copy the numerator, which is y minus 2. That's the numerator. Then multiply 8 times 1, which is 8, divide 4, which is equivalent to 2. So that's the reason y minus 2 is equal to 2. Again, this is the easiest way to determine the answer. Then after that, we are going to apply addition property of equality here. So magiging plus. So magiging ganito. So copy y, then equals 2. Then this become plus 2 here. So 2 plus 2, performing the operation, y is equal to 4. But in the problem, we are looking for the value of x. So we just work on with the next step. So the next step is to solve again any of the equation, any of the expression in the equation. For instance, we are going to use 2x minus y over 16, this time sa equal to 1/4 naman. Because we have already the value of y, which is 4. So we are going to substitute the value of y. So this what happened? Copy 2x, then y is equal to 4 here. So magiging 4 yung y over 16 is equal to 1/4. The same process, we just copy the numerator, which is 2x minus 4. Then multiply the denominator 16 times 1, which is 16 divide 4, which is equivalent to 4. So that's the reason naging 2x minus 4 is equal to 4. Again, copy the numerator, 2x minus 4. Then 16 times 1 is 16. Divide 4, that is equivalent to 4. So yun yun. Then addition property of equality, we need to apply. So that become 2x is equal to 8 because we copy 2x, then 4. This become plus 4 because we apply addition property of equality. So for 4 plus 4 is 8. Then divide both sides by 2. So the value of x is 4. So when we divide this by 2, this become 8x, I mean. Then 8 divided 2, that become 4. Therefore, the value of x in this proportion is equivalent to 4. So, I am hoping that you learn all about finding the value of x in the given proportion. That's all, Kamato class. God bless us.